Bentley Print Street is proud of its commitment to sustainability. What this commitment means to us is working to protect environmental assets, restoring lost resources, and ultimately conducting our business in a way that leaves no environmental footprint on the earth. Over the years, we have proven that the journey to sustainability makes good commercial, environmental, and social sense, and we continue to spread that message to others. Just as it takes a rope to safely climb a mountain, it takes careful planning, tough decisions, and hard work to effectively change the carpet industry. We are telling our story of change with one simple phrase: Mission Zero. Our promise is to eliminate any negative impact our company may have on the environment by the year 2020. We're approaching Mission Zero on 7 fronts, 7 ways to make a difference and improve profitability at the same time.
Eliminating waste is the first front of the mountain we're climbing towards Mission Zero. Since 1994, Bentley Print Street has saved over $43 million in waste by reducing our water intake 68%, reducing the waste that goes to the landfills 94%, adding more recycled content to our products, and most importantly, maintaining our QUEST program. QUEST stands for Quality Utilizing Employee Suggestion and Teamwork. Through QUEST, our own associates come up with ideas to identify, measure, and reduce waste. The millions of dollars we save from eliminating waste will finance new technologies and equipment that will save us even more. Remember, if it doesn't add value to your product, it's hurting your bottom line.
In order for our business processes to be sustainable, they should have no toxic effect on the natural systems that surround us. The second way we're tackling Mission Zero at Bentley Print Street is by reducing and offsetting our emissions. We have reduced our greenhouse gas emissions by 75%, reduced our VOC emissions by 77%, and reduced our NOx emissions by 36%. Our Cool Carpet option empowers our customers to take action too. All greenhouse gas emissions associated with Cool Carpet products are offset with certified emission reduction credits verified by the Climate Neutral Network. Is your company committed to reducing emissions, or will you just leave the planet full of hot air?
With front number 3, we're focused on improvements that reduce our energy needs. Burning non-renewable fossil fuels contributes to resource depletion and climate change. At Bentley Print Street, 100% of the electrical energy that we use to make our products is made renewable through a combination of green tag purchases, green energy credits, and on-site solar panels. Now we're working on our suppliers. We're also using less energy. So far, the process efficiencies we've introduced have decreased our energy use per unit of product output by 48% and our overall energy consumption by 56%. Where do you get your energy? It's easy to go green. Call your grid for more information.
Making new carpet out of old carpet is an important technique in accomplishing Mission Zero. Closing the loop means we aim to get our carpet from factory to floor and back again, with extracting as little from the earth as possible. As part of our re-entry program, we take back any broadloom or carpet tile after its useful life and find the most environmentally responsible way to reuse it. This may involve repurposing the carpet, using it for energy capture, or recycling it into new products. Bentley Print Street offers over 25 products containing recycled content and backing systems that contain post-consumer recycled content. And yes, it can be done without sacrificing beauty. All it takes is a little innovation and a lot of commitment. Has your company got what it takes to close the loop?
There isn't a supply chain out there that can't be improved by offset and alternative fuels. We discovered that focusing on front number 5, efficient transportation has plenty of rewards. Because a big part of our business involves shipping carpet, we're charter members of Smart Weight Transport, and we partnered with trucking companies that are also members. We offset the carbon dioxide emissions associated with our fuel purchases for business travel through the Fuel program. Our fuel provider awards corporate rebates based on gallons of fuel purchased, and we use those rebates to purchase certified emissions reductions credits from a balanced portfolio of CO2 emissions reduction projects. In addition, we encourage all Bentley Prince Street associates to use alternative transportation by offering incentives to those who carpool, walk, ride, or use public transportation to work. Look for suppliers who are investing in minimizing the movement of people, products, information, and resources.
Meet the community, or even better, join it. To achieve Mission Zero, we not only need to change our operations, we need to change the way we operate in our community. We call this integrated sustainability. The sustainable Bentley Prince Street community will involve our suppliers, customers, and families operating in an ecosystem where confrontation is replaced with cooperation. Bentley Prince Street is certified ISO 9001 Quality Management System and 14001 Environmental Management System. In 2004, Bentley Prince Street received the Governor's Award for Environmental and Economic Leadership, California's most prestigious environmental award, and we are consistently honored by California Waste Reduction Awards program. We encourage our employees to participate in community volunteer programs and restorative projects. The more aware we become of the world around us, the more motivated we are to preserve it for future generations. Thinking of implementing integrated sustainability in your workforce? We think you'll find the benefits far surpass the costs.
Mission Zero means sustainability for Bentley Prince Street. But what we'd really like to see is a world that does business sustainably. The last of the fronts is redesigning commerce. We would like to see a world that provides incentives for waste pollution reduction instead of labor, earnings, and property. We support initiatives to bring about market-based incentives for sustainable commerce. We'd also like to see more standards in place for green products. We are taking the lead in promoting the importance of third-party environmental certifications, delivering products that have received the Sustainable Choice Gold and California Gold certifications. In addition, Bentley Prince Street is actively involved in voluntary reporting of emissions through organizations such as the California Climate Action Registry. Mission Zero has changed our purchasing practices and standards, and as a result, we are educating our partners and suppliers. Want to help redesign commerce? Vote with your wallet, buy smart, and demand more.
The 7 fronts continue to provide the map for our journey towards Mission Zero. They empower us to achieve a zero environmental footprint by the year 2020. In everything we do, from our use of raw materials to our impact in society, we are working every day to leave nothing but a legacy. We hope you'll join us on the journey.